In their research paper, Searching the Internet for Evidence of Time Travelers, Wilson and Nemiroff trawled through search logs on NASA's website to find out if anyone had searched for Comet Ison before it had been discovered. They also searched Twitter for evidence that anyone had predicted future events, such as the election of Pope Francis. A third method employed by the researchers was to ask prospective time travelers to contact them and then prove that such a communication had been sent before the researchers made the original plea. Perhaps unsurprisingly, given the consensus that time travel is impossible, the researchers found no evidence that any information had been sent back in time from the future.
That's right. Researchers spent time trolling the internet to find evidence of time travelers. And clearly they don't spend time in the forums that I go to because there's plenty of people on there claiming to be from the future.
Visit Infowars.com and PrisonPlanet.com. When you're on the site, you can also tune in 24 hours a day to my daily radio broadcast. There's also a free iPhone app to listen to the syndicated radio show when and where you want.